What is painter in Korean? Painter in Korean is
화가, 화가.
again. Painter in Korean is
화가.
How do we write hwaga in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable hwa, we need to draw a hiyuk character, followed by an o character, followed by an a character. And for the second syllable ga, we need to draw a giyuk and an a character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of those two syllables to write hwaga in Hangul.
And with that you've already learned what is painter in Korean. Now, let's take the previous word quiz. What is dentist in Korean? Dentist in Korean is
치과의사, 치과의사.
Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here. At Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.